Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn to draw ice cream. Right? It is very easy to draw ice cream. We will draw two ice cream, right? One triangle type and one cylinder type. Okay. So first we will draw triangle type ice cream. So for triangle type ice cream, first of all we have to draw a straight line. Okay, now I'm drawing like this. I hope you are also drawing with me. So from this point we have to draw a straight line like this. Okay, there will be curve, then it will look like a real ice cream. So in upper side also we will make a curve type design. Now same like this we will draw a straight line. Okay, so it will look like a triangle. Okay, okay. Three side we have drawn a curve, and now we will design this ice cream. Okay, in the center we will draw straight line to a straight line. Okay, for the handle to for the hold of this ice cream. Okay, now it a handle has been designed, so we will make it more attractive. Okay, now the ice cream design, how you will make like this I am drawing. You can draw another way, so it will look like so amazing, right? And now some jelly type designs I am making, right? So creams are placed inside this ice cream. Okay, one ice cream has been completed. For the other ice cream, as I said, we will draw a cylinder type. So for the cylinder type, what we have to draw, first of all we will draw a straight line, the same uh, before we have drawn for the triangle type ice cream. Now we have to draw again a straight line. Okay, we are making it cylinder type, that's why I am drawing to a straight line parallelly. Okay, now we have to draw a curve in upper side. Okay, now for the handle I have to draw to a straight line in the same size. Okay, it okay, it has been completed. And now in this ice cream I will not designing uh, this handle. So for the ice cream part we will design, right? Okay, I am designing like this. You can also design in a different way. It is how it will look like. Okay, I have drawn like this. Now the melt part also I am drawing, right? This ice cream is melting. I'm showing it like it is melting. Okay, no problem. Whatever you want, you can draw. My ice cream drawing has been completed. I hope you also have drawn like this. If you have not completed, then please pause my video and complete it. If you like this drawing, then please comment and like this video. If you want to learn more drawing and you want to make master in drawing, then please subscribe my channel and visit my channel, so that we can you can learn more and more from my channel. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.